Hello everyone. My paper title is Comparison of Gray Wolf Optimization, Path and Contrast Limited Adaptive Histogram Equalization and Image Contrast Enhancement. My name is Mardhiyyah. My supervisor Dr. Wissam Mohammed Jassim and Dr. Ismail Taha Ahmed. For outline include introduction, problem statement, objectives, proposed method, and experimental results. Finally, conclusion and future work. For introduction, there are different distortion you get in the image like chromatic distortion, blur, noise, and contrast distortion. In this paper, we focus on improving image contrast. There are several traditional techniques used for improving the contrast of image, such as histogram equalization, adaptive histogram equalization, contrast limited adaptive histogram equalization. But the result of improvement through them was not at the required level. So we improved the contrast of the image using AI, using meta-heuristic algorithms such as PATS algorithm and Gray Wolf optimization algorithm. For problem statement, several kinds of distortion, including as contrast distortion can reduce the quality of an image. A low grayscale range image is referred to as contrast distorted image (CDI). Therefore, finding the ideal level of contrast enhancement to avoid under and over enhancing is the fundamental challenge of contrast enhancement. This image distortion, left is under enhancement, right is over enhancement, image is middle, is optimal enhancement. For objectives, firstly, to search and investigate which intelligent algorithms are suitable for color image brightness adjustments. Secondly, to propose the method to solve the issue of the over-enhancement. Thirdly, to compare the performance of the above three algorithms. For dataset, I used CSIQ dataset. It has many types and levels of distortion, including contrast. This sample are levels of distortion in contrast. The proposed method. In this paper, applied adaptive intelligence filter, path and Gray Wolf optimization as enhance the contrast of color image on different number of brightness, density, and compare the proposed algorithm with contrast limited adaptive histogram equalization filter. In this paper, proposed path and Gray Wolf optimization for adjust brightness the color image that achieved by applying various filters with various attributes through the first step of greeting the initial population and adjust on the current population, then apply and choose the local and global best, and finally apply final evaluation stage. For experimental results, the metrics that's used to check the performance of the proposed method are PSNR and mean square error. Measure on varying degrees of contrast distorted image performance in CSIQ before using optimization algorithms. This table initial evaluation performance before using optimization algorithm for PSNR, mean square error, and CL is mean contrast level of image. And this graphically for the results of this table. Performance measure on varying degrees of contrast distorted image in CSIQ after using BAT. This table final evaluation performance after using BAT algorithm for PSNR, mean square error, and contrast level. And this graphic for the results. And this enhanced CSIQ sample dataset by BAT method, image distortion, and this image enhancement by BAT algorithm. This sample dataset. Performance measure on varying degrees of contrast distorted image in CSIQ after using gray wolf optimization. This table final evaluation performance after using gray wolf optimization algorithm for PSNR, mean square error, and contrast level, and this graphic for this result. Enhanced CSIQ sample dataset by gray wolf optimization method. This image enhancement, image distortion, and image enhancement by gray wolf optimization algorithm. For conclusion, for all contrast enhancement methods, the quality of enhanced image is low when performing the enhancement without applying initial evaluation. Second, add the initial evaluation step before applying the contrast enhancement algorithm leads to noticeable enhancements in the results. 3. To make the comparison, we compare the binding option by sample of the dataset. The overall performance measure at different distortion level before and after the enhance has been calculated. The proposed method, which is based on BAT algorithm, was found to produce outstanding results for enhancing contrast in color image. The proposed gray wolf optimization algorithm, however, yielded the best outcomes across datasets. For future work, 1. A greater variety of filters can be employed for better enhancement. 2. Using the best filters to make some adjustments to the optimization methods. 3. Using deep learning improve the quality of contrast enhanced image and minimize over enhancements. 4. Go through other datasets that have contrast image. And thank you.